Hey guys, we're currently on our way to Mexico for Edith's bachelorette trip. It's about to be lit. Ain't shit quarantine about this. Ain't no social distancing. Currently at the airport, the Mexican airport, and they are not practicing social distancing at all. It is coronavirus up in here. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? How are you?
Estoy muy bien, bien.
Say hi to where?
No, to who?
To who? To who? No, to city.
Hey guys, I just got to my room. So I'm rooming by myself. Ooh, look at that. This is the bathroom. You can see outside the room. This is the shower. Oh no, it's definitely not the shower, it's the toilet bowl. This is the shower. Guys, I take that back. Here you go. My bed, got a nice king size bed. Nice little suite. And outside. This is so beautiful. And how do we open this? Let's see. Guys. Oh my God, the sound is so beautiful. A nice little view. So nice. Currently blowing up balloons. Hey. Oh.
Plug this in just in case it doesn't fall like that.
Nasty but classy. Birkin bag me. Currently on a shuttle. Gotta say hi.
You guys look like the model from the show.
Alright, so we're finally on our way to the next destination, which is a yacht boat party. Guinea corn, guinea corn. Finally made it to the boat.
Yes.
Finally! It's so nice. Get you guys over here. Edith, you don't need motion sickness pills for a yacht. My face is so oily, I'm very positive. So this is what your husband be dealing with. Just got to a restaurant. So we're outside and it's pouring. Just checking on the weather forecast. Tolu. Got the rest of the crew here. Hey. Waiting for our food. We got Pond serving us. We'll see how it goes. Wait, what did you say?
My name is Patience Akoto.
Don't kill me.
A-K-O-T-O, not O. A-K-O-T-O.
Don't kill me.
Oh my God.
Edith, how do you feel?
I'm feeling great. Okay.
Yes. Guys, so Biden just won. We're super excited. No more Trump. Biden! Donald Trump, you about to lose your job. Pop like and drop it. Pop like and drop it. You about to lose your job. Biden! I can't drop like you drop it in crack.
Thank you. No, that's it. The bacon looks good. Oh, girl, just grab it, please.
Gracias.